Welcome to MPS Monitor, the best cloud solution for remote print monitoring and print fleet management. This tutorial will show you how to create and manage a consumables list. The consumable list contains all the supplies needed to manage your fleet of printing devices. The creation of a consumable list is a mandatory step to activate all the supplies management features available to you in the MPS Monitor system. If a consumable is not present in the list, it must be added to use it on relevant devices. To add a consumable to the list, click on the Consumables button in the menu on the left, then the Consumables list, and finally, at the top, Create Consumable. You can now choose between three options. You can enter a consumable by choosing a part number already present in the MPS Monitor database, or you can create a new one. Or you can import an Excel file containing your entire list of consumables with their part numbers. To search for existing part numbers, you can type them in or enter a description. Selecting a consumable will show you the part number, description, type, color, and duration stated by the manufacturer. Click on Add and the part number you selected will be added to your list. If you want to enter a new code that is not present in the system, click on Create a Consumable. Here you have to fill in all the required fields. If you want, you can enter the descriptions in different languages. After entering all the data, click Save. If you need to upload several consumables, instead of using the single creation function several times, you can upload an Excel file, which will allow you to import multiple consumables in a single operation, saving a lot of time. Then click on Upload an Excel file. You will have to carry out two steps. First, download the template using the green button. An Excel template will open. All the instructions are given in the legend sheet, while the import sheet contains the columns with the data to load. Fill in the import sheet with all the consumables you want to upload and save the file. Now you can move on to the second step. On the Excel file upload page, click on Choose File and upload the file you have just filled in. Then click on the Save button to proceed with the upload. Warning: do not change the structure of the template. It must not contain notes or comments, and the drop-down menu items must be selected, otherwise import errors may occur. If an error occurs, recheck that all entries in the file are correct and then repeat the operation. At the end of these steps, you will be redirected to the consumables list. All the items you have entered in the file will now be present in the list. To associate consumables to devices and enable their management, you will now need to create consumable sets. To learn how to do this, follow the Creating Consumable Sets tutorial. Thank you for watching this MPS Monitor tutorial.